soil brothers and soil sisters. It's getting hot, y'all. It is getting hot. It's springtime. That's what I keep saying. It is springtime. It's starting to get those gardens going, start those seeds, amend that soil. But what is so important to growing our own groceries? Water. RainPoint smart irrigation system. We can run down to Florida and pick us up some trees, and guess what? We might not make it back home today. So we call the homestead center, come check on the animals, make sure the dogs get out and get fed. But from our phone, we can turn the water on to water our plants. Let's look in this box and see what we got. RainPoint is on point, y'all. So let's go check it out. All right, soil fam. So what we have here is the RainPoint Smart Irrigation Expert System. It's a 2-zone Wi-Fi irrigation water. I mean, we all as gardeners, homesteaders, farmers, growers, we need irrigation. And we were not good with irrigation until we met RainPoint. So look into this system, y'all. It's amazing. We're gonna unbox this thing. At the bottom they have a setup video or app that'll help you set it up. It's a how-to setup code you can scan. You can call for help. You can email for help, which I can say that when I emailed them, they do get right back with us. So they have a diagram on this side showing you what your system can do. This is just your model number and manufacturing codes. Over here, manually watering from 1 to 60 minutes. So this is telling you everything that you can do. Auto watering for 1 minute to 12 hours. Distance between Wi-Fi hub and timer can be up to 160 feet in an open area. Irrigation frequency, any day or every day in 1 week. Maximum 3 plants per day. So you can set this up for 3 different plants per day. 1 Wi-Fi hub can pair with 4 Wi-Fi timers. Each Wi-Fi timer can pair with 1 Wi-Fi soil sensor. So, I mean, this basically tell you how to set this up. So it's not difficult or, stressful, because it's so much to where you can't figure it out. This is pretty simple. So I'm gonna open up our box. Inside we have our warranty registration. We have a note to the customer. This is a VIP. Let's see what this is. Professional grade expert provides you with garden care advice. Congratulations, you are being selected as a member of RainPoint VIP Club. You will enjoy the following services. So that's what this card is for, telling you all of your services. This is the English side. 4 more year warranty service. Test the latest Wi-Fi watering timer. So this is awesome. Okie dokie. We also have, so this is telling you how to set up, troubleshoot your warranty, quick start guide, connect to Wi-Fi hub. All right, that is important. Instructional manual. So you can either just read the book. They do have a video that I was showing you. You can scan the Wi-Fi code to watch the video, and it's on the bottom. I need to show y'all the bottom of this box. There it is, right there. How to set up video and the app. So we have a plug for our system. RainPoint. Off and on button, which you have to program to your Wi-Fi to be able to control it from your smartphone. Isn't that awesome, y'all? You want to be lazy? I mean, come on. And get your watering done. Set it up. Set it up from your phone. So this is, you can run 2 separate watering systems. So like we getting ready to start watermelon. So we definitely need to make sure our watermelon get adequate water. But think about going on vacation, out of town, you know, or just at work longer than you thought you would be. And you need to water your plants because it's 110 degrees outside. Grab your phone because you have your RainPoint system. So I will be sure to link this company in the description. Y'all check it out. This is an awesome system, especially when you're traveling this busy season or busy at work, or you know, graduation things. I mean, things come up. SoilFamily Expo. You need to water your plants still, but you want to go to the SoilFamily Expo. RainPoint will get it done. We'll get it done. So part 2 of this video will be Bobby setting this system up and showing you how we're gonna take full advantage of this. In the meanwhile, y'all check out the link in the description. Grab you one of these awesome kits. Delivery was super fast and customer service is awesome with this company. So irrigation mode, features, misting mode. Awesome. So not included. 4 AA batteries, no problem. But y'all check out RainPoint Smart Irrigation Expert Systems. They have several systems to offer. We think they are all great. See this? This plug need to be indoor, so we're not gonna plug this up outside. We're gonna plug this up probably in the studio. That way we can control, which is right by the Wi-Fi. We can control this system from our phone. I think it's awesome. But y'all stay tuned for part 2 where Bobby will set this thing up and show you how it worked. We just wanted to unbox it and introduce it to y'all. I think it's a cool system. I think every household should have one, so you can run this baby out to your garden, keep your babies happy, because we need our food. We need our food. So this will help you get away from the house for a day or 2 when you need to, or long hours. So check out RainPoint. I will leave it. Check out the description box. I will leave everything in the description. Until next time, don't forget to like this video, share it out, because this system is awesome. And we gardeners know how important it is to be able to water our plants on time. Every morning, every evening. So share this out to a friend. Hit that thumbs up for us. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, so you can be sure to catch part 2, which will be coming out in the next few days. And don't let nobody steal your joy. Peace.